Assalamu alaikum, hello viewers. Hope that you are well, everybody. I'm also well. For that I'm going to discuss about off-white and white processes in this video. First of all, I'm telling about off-white process. After that, I'll differentiate between off-white and white processes. Here, material liquor ratio is 1:7, and here gray fabric loading in dyeing machine. So that loading hot at 60 degrees centigrade and up to 10 minutes we done. Then we drain. After that we rise temperature up to 99 degrees centigrade and run for 10 minutes and sample shake. After that rinse for 4 minutes and drain. After that wash again for 8 minutes and drain. After that rise temperature up to 90 degrees centigrade and use this temperature up to 10 minutes and then wash for 5 minutes and drain. In the next step we use 1.5 gram per liter acetic acid and at 60 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, then drain. Use acid 0.2 gram per liter. pH need to keep 4.5. Then using enzyme at 57 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. Then we rise temperature up to 80 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and again at cooling temperature 70 degrees centigrade we down the temperature. Then again drain. Then softener using and after that using acetic acid 0.1 gram per liter and unloading the fabrics. Viewers, now I am going to differentiate between white and off-white processes. Here you can see. You see here, material and liquor ratio is also same. Here also 1:7. You can see here. First time we loading hot at 60 degrees centigrade and 10 minutes. Here also we are using like this. Here draining, here also draining. Here 99 degrees centigrade run for 10 minutes sample shake, but here you can see 99 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. Here 60 minutes. There is here is the difference. This is white and this is off-white. This is the difference. Time difference. Time difference. Then rinsing. Here we are using temperature at 70 degrees centigrade at cooling temperature, but here we are draining. Then another term is coming, drain. Scouring, draining. Scouring to draining. But here we are using brightner dosing. Here is not any brightening agent using. Here using here brightening agent in white process. Again draining, both side draining. Here dyeing, we are dyeing here for 40 minutes and sample checking. Another processor like as same, but in the middle we have seen the changes. The scouring temperature is more, and after that we are not draining. Here we are draining, rinsing and draining. Again we come, and after dyeing we temperature down to cooling temperature at 70 degrees centigrade, and after that we rinse. another hot wash at 90 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. This is white program is running. I'm talking about a white program now. Then we drain and 1.0 gram per liter acid using at 60 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Then using enzyme at 50 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes, and then using acetic acid 0.2 gram per liter to keep its pH 4.5. Then using then increasing temperature at 80 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, then cooling at 70 degrees centigrade and draining again at 70 degrees centigrade temperature. After that we wash for 5 minutes. Then softener using, after that we're using acid 0.1 gram per liter, and then using doing unload the fabric. So viewer, we have learned from here that what is the difference between off-white and white processes. If you like my video, you give one like and share my video to your social media. If you have subscribed, then thanking you. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell button to see next videos. I am regularly uploading my videos. I'm inviting you to see all of my videos. Goodbye.